Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's demonstration is for those accounting teams. So if you are making entries each day, each month, they're consistent string, so main account financial dimensions are kind of set with a few variations. These ledger account aliases are really going to help you in your day-to-day entries. So let's look at that with an example. I'm going to go into General Ledger. Under Chart of Accounts, Ledger Account Alias. Now Microsoft's got one set up here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. And I'm going to use bank fees. Now notice how I have bank fees have a space in between bank and fees. Remember that. The type I'm going to the type I'm going to select is either shared, user group, or user. Shared would mean anybody could create this alias when making a journal entry, or I can define a specific user group that's allowed to use it, or user specifically. Now the account structure I will need to know. In this case, I'm going to use a profit and loss, and the company is going to be USMF. Again, I can assign as many aliases as I'd like. And now I'm going to select a bank fee main account, a business unit. This will always typically be home, and you're probably asking, why don't I just use a fixed value on the main account? You can absolutely do that, but this gives you the option of maybe it might change. So maybe for the majority of the time it's business unit, home, department, finance, but it could change. This still allows you the flexibility to change these. These are really just a default. But what I do like here is that for item group, I'm not really sure which one of these item groups, but I want my focus to be on item group. So that way it will go directly to that item group box when I create my journal entry. So let's try that. I'm going to go into General Journals, plus New to create a new journal. I'm going to go into my lines, and here, if I type in bank fee, all one word, no space, nothing's going to happen. This is not going to work. So it's very specific to what you set up here under your alias. So now if I go to new, and I type in bank space fee, and I open up my string. Oh, there it is, bank. Oh, see how I said bank slash fees with an S? So tricky. Okay, let's try it one more time. Bank space fees. So it's really, you just, however you set it up, you must agree with your accounting team. Now when I open it up, you can see the full string and see how item group is really defaulted to that, so you know exactly what you need to fill in to complete the string. Really nice feature. Now I can even use what Microsoft here, they have this one USMF, it's a balance sheet. So look what happens, or is that an I? It might be an I. Let's try that. Yep, I is prepaid insurance. Isn't that nice? 132100, 132100. So a lot of really good ways to save. Again, if you're saving seconds or minutes, it's a win in my eyes. So, all right, I hope this empowers you, and I'll see you on the next video.